Hello and welcome to Coding Lords. This is Neha and today we're going to discuss how to make a QR code generator. This is going to be a very basic and beginner friendly Python project. It has some of the pre-requirements, but before moving forward, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to Coding Lords and like, comment and share because your support makes me feel more and more motivated. So these are some of the prerequisites that you require to make a QR code generator. First of all, you should have Python already installed, and this you can check through command prompt. You all might know it, like how we check the version, we can check what version of it is or if it is already installed or not. Second is IDE. IDE basically for Python people uses PyCharm, but in this video I'm going to use is Jupyter Notebook. And let me tell you, Jupyter Notebook is an open source IDE and basically it becomes very easy to share the live codes on it. And nowadays I am practicing on Jupyter Notebook, so I suggest you to just once try Jupyter Notebook as it is very beginner friendly too. Then we have pip install PyQRCode. So basically PyQRCode is an inbuilt module which we use to create the QR codes. And secondly pip. So what's pip? PIP is basically a package management system of Python which is used to install and manage the software packages. And through PIP we are going to install PyQRCode. How? I'll tell you later when I'll do it. I'll show how to install this PyQRCode. So let's get started. This is the Jupyter Notebook basically where I have already stored the file named qrgenerator. I'm just gonna open it and it's gonna getting open. You can see that how much user and beginner friendly UI it has. I have to write here pip install PyQRCode. As I told you, I'll tell you how to install it. I've already installed, so it's not going to get installed again. You can see it is showing that requirement already satisfied. Now we need to import this PyQRCode. We'll write import PyQRCode so that we can use it for a program. Then we have to take the data. So we'll write data is equal to input, enter text or URL to generate a QR code, and basically whatever text or URL we are going to enter, when we'll scan the QR code, it will give us that data what we are going to enter it now. So QR code, and as we run it, it asks us to enter at every line. Here it needs actually to run. So we'll write welcome to Coding Lords, so that when we scan we get this message. At the next line we have to now create the QR code. So we'll write QR is equal to PyQRCode, the module we installed, dot create. Then we'll write the data, create data, and after that we have to convert this QR code into an SVG image and save it. So we'll write qr.svj and name whatever name we're going to give to this file. Let me write qr image1.svj and I'll let the scale is equal to 8. Now after this, when I will run this, the image gets saved on my desktop. Let me just check where it got saved, basically this name, and let me just check here. Here I'm gonna search it with the name, and yes, now when I open it, it gets open in the browser, and this is the SVG image. Now you can take out your phones and you can just scan this image so that you come to know that is it showing the message or not. And do let me know in the comments if this code worked for you or not, or if you find any kind of a problem. So this was all about our QR code generator. Was it easy, right? Very much easy it was. And this was a basic introduction to Python so that you become very much familiar to it and you can save it. You can make your own kind of a front end for it, which might look very nice. You can use that front end basically. So I have the source code in the description. I have mentioned the link to the source code. You all can go to that, check out the source code. If you find any problem or anything, you can just comment here. I'll be answering all the queries, and this was all about the project. So thank you and thanks for watching, and see ya with some new project.